On February the 23rd, we saw the stop in the dumping price in Bitcoin and crypto.com, initiating the pumps of these cryptocurrencies past very good highs, passing Bitcoin 40,000 plus and crypto.com 40 cents, among other different altcoins such as Solana, Terra Luna, and XRP. But guess what? There are two cryptocurrencies from the Cronos ecosystem, VVS and TECTONIC, that haven't seen those pumps yet, of course making some holders questioning, worry, and a little bit scary. Everybody, welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. By the end of this video, I want to give a message to all of us holders that, of course, we know this is going to be a long-term project. We're not rushing, some of us, but definitely we have new people coming in, or just people that are just wondering, is there anything else? Can we actually make money with this too? Well, I'll tell you what I'm exactly doing with TECTONIC and VVS Finance, my personal perspective, my opinions on this, and some facts that as a holder, you don't want to miss. Sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. I want to talk to you about TECTONIC and VVS Finance. And one of the first things I want to tell you, everybody, is that the price started sideways trading since February the 23rd, which in my opinion, I see that as a great positive. As you can see right now on the screen, that's the pump. We have two pumps thus far, two dumps and one major dump right about here, bringing the price all the way here to this support level. If I continue scrolling to the left, you can see that there's even more sideways trading right here as the price dump. This is TECTONIC TONIC token. You see, so I mean, one of the things that I can tell you is that this is a really early project on the Cronos ecosystem, but that doesn't mean that it has gone unnoticed. But I'm going to show you right now the TVL, which is exactly how people are putting their money and adding liquidity, and it's in the top 5, which I like a lot. When it comes to VVS Finance, guys, somewhat the same idea. It crushed really when it started. The price went all the way down, but right now it's finding that bottom. And if there's something that you might recall in my how much to become a millionaire videos and other different analysis videos, is that these DeFi applications, these DeFi apps and cryptocurrencies, they really start high, they dump, and they consolidate it, and they slowly start seeing some growth. So that's what I'm buying on. Why would I want to buy what is it, Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap at the very beginning? They crash and then they went up as more people were becoming aware of them, as more people were using them, right? At this time, most of us in the Cronos ecosystem are using them, but it's gonna get more out there, widely available, as we have more layer 2s, more protocols coming to Cronos ecosystem and allowing that interoperability. The fact of using dApps from different chains to different usings outside Cronos. So I'm bullish on this, guys. And I know, although the price, we haven't seen the pumps yet, I'm bullish on them, and I think we're gonna do very fine. Whether you wanna do TVL, total value locked, and contribute your liquidity, or you wanna classic sit down, relax, and just buy and trade it, I think it's not gonna be a bad idea. Well, as I'm going back to TECTONIC, everybody here, one of the things that I want to tell you is that even though we have seen prices increase, the price of TECTONIC hasn't moved. Let me show you. On Bitcoin, 30%. You're seeing on the screen right now. 30% since February the 23rd all the way as of today. And Classic, we start finally to see some corrections. That's normal. But what if this candlesticks actually ends up turning up green by the end of the day? More pump. Take a look at this. Crypto.com on this one in the last 5 days, 30% too. Crypto.com and Bitcoin, they really go alike, same as VVS with TECTONIC. Now, why is it that VVS and TECTONIC, they don't talk really to Bitcoin or Crypto.com price? Well, one of the reasons is that of the supply difference. We're talking about billions and millions here, but here, and this is so fun, on TECTONIC and VVS, we're talking trillions. So that just looking at that is a big difference, and will require an altcoin season to really move all of this. Now, talking about altcoin season, let me show you something very important. On Twitter, everybody, and on On Twitter for Tectonic and VVS Finance, we haven't seen many news out there just about the pool, just about how you can, get involved with the community here. But that's it. Not really big news for coming from VVS and Tectonic. Same with Tectonic. The latest was this nice Twitter Spaces with Kronos AMA with TUSD. That's it. When it comes to the fear and greed index, we're back at neutral because Bitcoin pumped in the last 48 hours. That's bringing the entire market up, which is specifically for Bitcoin. But guess what? In regards to Tectonic and VVS Finance, it is not even altcoin season yet. It is not even altcoin season yet, provided sponsored by FTX. What do we see here? Let me show you here with the graph. Right now we are at 22 according to the blockchaincenter.net. 22 out of 25 Bitcoin season, heavily putting all the focus right now on Bitcoin as we see the war in Ukraine, as we see inflation, one of the greatest hedges against inflation and all of this that's happening with Russia and Ukraine. Bitcoin is thriving, and we're seeing that as banks and companies, corporations, institutions are buying into it, oligarchs are buying into this, and it is the popular cryptocurrency right now, and what's delivering that digital gold, as many people like to refer. But see, not even close to altcoin season. I own too many altcoins too, as you probably. So VVS and Tectonic, I'm bullish on them that once we're back in a great altcoin season cycle, it's not yet here for your information. It's still, for me, time to get more, collect, put it to stake, and much more. And I just gave you the key as to what to do right now while we wait. Welcome to VVS Finance. Guess what I'm doing, everybody? Multi-yield. That's what I've been doing, and I have so far $200+. I'm earning 54,000 VVS and more than 2 million Tectonic. That's what I'm doing with my money, right? Because I believe in these projects. We've been talking about these projects in the channel for a while, and at 82% APR, I'll take it. I'll take it. Of course, having some other different liquidities and mines, highly recommended. You can also stake Tectonic on their page, or you can come to VVS Finance and stake your VVS. I like this too, everybody, because although they have a really high supplies, if we knocked it out of the park with the price, I think we're gonna be very rich quickly. I know these are not meme coins. Let me say that again. These are not meme coins. These are very highly utility tokens. So you lend and borrow with Tectonic, and you allow DeFi purposes and yield farming with VVS Finance. The prices looking like this down, but the only way to go now is up. And here it is, one of the other reasons that I'm pretty bullish. You take a look at this, guys. These are all the protocols coming from Kronos ecosystem, and at number one we have VVS Finance with 1.33 billion total value locked, and Tectonic at 295 million at total value locked. That is what's happening right now. And crypto.com wants to move from the position number 9 to the position number 5. And if I may change right here, I want you guys to see this. We know how Ethereum is losing market share ever since the 2020. Right now in 2022, Ethereum is now 60%. What's going to happen by the end of the year? If at the beginning of 2021, Ethereum was at 96. In 1 year, Ethereum lost in total value locked just 40%. Like this. So that for us in Kronos, that for us in VVS and Tectonic from position 9, come on everybody, we got an arena, we got a Super Bowl ad, we got Formula 1, UFC, Fanatic, Comebol. Can we just move to position 5 as Kronos is bullish on it? This is exactly what you and I as investors in VVS and Tectonic must know. That being said, everybody, we're going to continue holding. I'm going to continue holding and buying low, selling high, holding tight. I just gave you analysis, facts, and information with price analysis on these ones. Definitely the price of TECTONIC and VVS Finance is risky. Not telling you that it's gonna be a complete moonshot like Shiba Inu. I'm not telling you that it's gonna happen by the end of 2022, and I'm not telling you that it's gonna be an overnight success. But if you are bullish in crypto in general, in NFTs, in DeFi, in metaverse, and yield farming, I think we're gonna be fine. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. VVS Finance, I'm here. TECTONIC, I'm here. I like them, not married to the projects, but I like the utility, just barely beginning. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure to go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.